Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe a tourist attraction that very few people visit but you think is interesting. You should say what the place is, what people can see there, why do only very few people visit there, and explain why you think it is interesting. Chandbauri, an ancient stepwell in the Rajasthani town of Abhanari, is one of the most intriguing but little-known tourist destinations I have been to. Despite being one of the biggest and deepest stepwells in the world, not many people go there in comparison to well-known sites like the Taj Mahal or the Amber Fort in Jaipur. 3,500 precisely symmetrical steps set out in a geometric design that descend to the water's bottom make up the architectural wonder that is Chandbauri. The steps in this enormous stepwell produce an incredibly beautiful illusion, making the image quite captivating. In order to preserve water in the dry desert area, the well was constructed more than a millennium ago. An old shrine honoring Harshut Mata, a goddess connected to joy and wealth, is located around the stepwell. The temple's elaborate sculptures and carvings portray events from mythology and everyday life in ancient India. Chandbauri is hardly often visited, despite its historical and architectural value. Its isolated position is one of the primary causes of this. About 95 kilometers separate the village of Abhanari from Jaipur, and there is no direct public transportation to go there. The majority of visitors would rather see the well-known sites in Jaipur and Agra, ignoring this undiscovered treasure. The fact that many individuals are just ignorant of its existence is another factor. It is still relatively unknown because it is not as well publicized as other tourist attractions. This location really interests me for a number of reasons. First of all, it is a remarkable illustration of old design and engineering. Considering that it was erected more than 1,000 years ago, the stairs' level of accuracy is astounding. Second, the location's serene and uncrowded ambience makes it the ideal site to appreciate history without the typical congestion of tourist-heavy areas. Last but not least, the stepwell's mystery is heightened by the tale around it. Locals think ghosts constructed it overnight, which makes it all the more fascinating. In my opinion, Chandbauri deserves considerably more attention than it gets. It is a hidden treasure of India that shows the magnificence of old architecture. Anyone who likes history, architecture, and unusual travel experiences should definitely go there.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.